Free Fire, do you want to get better aim in your matches? On the Rapidguide channel, I'll show you a few simple tips. First, keep your crosshair at head level instead of aiming at the ground while moving around the map. Try to stay calm during fights and avoid spraying from long distances unless you have a stable weapon. Use short, controlled bursts when needed and practice quick drag shots to improve your headshot accuracy. Always position yourself where you have cover so you can peek, shoot, and move back safely. Spend time in the training ground to build muscle memory before jumping into ranked matches. The more consistently you practice these habits, the more accurate your aim will become in real games. Follow Rapidguide for more Free Fire tips and gaming guides.